Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites. iPhone signed into your Apple ID and Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi enabled. Plug the HomePod Mini in and watch for the white pulsing light. This means it is ready. Once the light appears, hold your iPhone near the HomePod and follow the automatic setup card on screen. Make sure to choose the correct home and room when prompted, because this organizes Siri and automation later. If you have multiple HomePods, set one as primary for handoff and personal requests. Once added to the Home app, open the device card and assign a clear name and room. This helps with voice commands. Configure Siri. Pick language, voice, and toggle personal requests if you want messages and reminders read aloud. These settings affect privacy and convenience. If you have two HomePod Minis, set up stereo pairing for wider soundstage. Otherwise, enable intercom for house-wide messages. Make sure to link HomeKit devices now so automations trigger reliably. Because the HomePod acts, you finish by testing core functions. Ask Siri to play music, set a timer, and control a smart light to verify responses. Make sure the microphone picks up your voice from various positions and set volume limits if needed. If something goes wrong, restart the HomePod by unplugging it for 10 seconds, then plug back in. If setup still fails, reset it via the Home app or the physical reset sequence. As a key tip, if Wi-Fi problems persist, forget the network on your iPhone and rejoin to refresh credentials.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.